Hello everyone, welcome back for a new video. Today I'll show you a simple technique using alcohol inks on polymer clay. First, I'm joining two white colored polymer clay sheets together. The base should be thicker than 5 mm for this technique. Place a silver imitation leaf on the clay. Gently smoothen the leaf without tearing it. I'm using this particular brand of alcohol inks. Use any brand whichever you prefer. I'm applying the Claro extender all over the base. It helps alcohol ink spread freely. Apply inks leaving some spaces in between to allow the inks to spread. I used a forest green and magenta colors near the corners, sunbright yellow in the center. I took white alcohol ink in a precision tip applicator bottle. The reason being it is highly pigmented. I want to apply only a little bit. Sometimes inks might dry up faster than you desired. In that case, reuse Claro extender. Use a cotton swab to remove excess ink. Be gentle without disturbing the ink layer. Let the ink dry completely before proceeding to the next steps. I placed a paper while flattening the clay sheet. It helps in the removal of excess ink and ink will not stain the roller. Repeat the same steps with new papers until you see a crackle effect. As most of the excess ink was removed, I'm using a roller to further flatten the sheet. Don't use a pasta machine, it can be messy. Cutting a round shape for the pendant. Don't discard the scraps. You can make a new variety. Cut the leftover clay into small pieces. Arrange the pieces to form a new slab. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fun tutorials. Flatten the slab and cut it into shapes. Bake finished pieces. This is the assembled piece after sanding. I applied resin to the pendant. It added more depth to the design and helps in sealing too. The mild shine of the silver leaf in these crackles look beautiful. To show you the difference, I did not put resin on this. It still looks nice, but I prefer resin. Thank you for watching.